Hey folks, hello. I've got another unboxing video. My problem with unboxing videos is that I've already got it open up and out of the package before I remember, oh shoot, I was going to do an unboxing video. So this will be pretty quick. Rip, 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 rip. I've got it opened up. And inside is, oh, Rustling leaves. I have been waiting for this. They were out of stock. You make me shine. Your smile brightens my day. Love you so much. Enjoy the special day. Your strength inspires me. So these are the dies, the leaves, and the sentiments. So that's great. What else is in here? Oh, there is the coloring stencil for, I think, well, it definitely fits there. Absolutely. This one goes there. And this one goes there. So, yeah, that's that. And, oh, this is the press plate. I don't have a press plate machine, but I do have a foiling machine. So the glimmer foiling machine. So that will be nice. I'm looking forward to that. What else is in here? In it? Oh, and it's the embossing folder. And I believe, I'm going to take this out of here. Oh no, this is very interesting. But I think this one goes here. Maybe not. No, that goes, am I backwards? No, I'm not backwards. Well, maybe it doesn't go. I thought it did. I know it goes to this and this, but I thought it did this too. Well, it definitely goes with these two. And it coordinates with this, so maybe this does not go with that. Oh, yeah, there we go. That goes right like that. God, it did. Perfect, right like that. Lines up perfectly if I could hold it still. Yay. And then this must go. So I'm sure these other ones go someplace. So I cannot wait to play with this. Wait a minute, there's something else. Gem sparkles. Yay. I have a lot of their enamel dots, but this is the first time I've got their sparkles. So I'm looking forward to using that. So I think that is all in this unboxing. So thank you for watching, and look for what I do with these, how I create with these. Let's back it up a little bit. Other way? Well, I guess that's all the farther it goes. There. See you next time.